Hi guys, and welcome to this new video. So in our last video, we've learned how to launch an outbound call campaign using the Rounded app. And in this video, we'll learn how to launch a call campaign using a make integration. So let's go. For this example, I use Google Sheets. So let's see it. So with 3 columns, phone number, first name, and last name. And so basically, when a new row is added on the Google Sheets, the make triggers a phone call from the Rounded agent that will call the new phone number that is in the line. So I've used a Google Sheets, but of course you can use your CRM or whatever use case you're using. So you need to associate it in the make. So let's dive in what is really interesting in this video. So it's the integration of Rounded. So you need to choose HTTP right here, and you need to go to make a request. So just here, make a request. Now let's configure it. So you need to go in this page of the Rounded documentation. It will be in description, don't worry. So here, URL, you need to copy it. So right here, you copy it and you paste it here in URL. Method, you need to choose post right here. You need to add a header, 2 headers. So it's in the documentation. So the first one is here, application JSON. So you paste it. So in name, you just need to add a content type, and in value, you need to add application/JSON. So, but in the name, only content type. So it's the first header. I need to add another one here, and you just need to copy X API key right there and paste it. So for the value of your API key, you need to go to your Rounded account. So here in the bottom, and choose API keys right there. You need to add one, new API key, create, and here is your key. So copy it and you paste it in value here. So let's go. In body type, so here you choose row, content type JSON, and in request contents, you need to go to the documentation. You choose everything here and you paste it. So as you can see, these are mock values. So you need to replace this number, this mock number, with your number in the Rounded app. So for example, mine is here. So I copy it and I paste it. Up. Here, 2 number, it's the number that will be called. So as it's a campaign, we choose phone number from the Google Sheets right there. So it will call the phone number from the new line added. Agent ID, of course, it's a mock in the documentation. It's a mock agent ID, but you can read through. You can find it in your agent. So you choose your agents, and it's in the URL here. So you copy it. It's everything after the last slash, and you copy it here. And in dynamic variables values, it's all the variables that you need in your agent. So here, for example, it's first name and last name. And in our case, it's useful because I have those 2 variables also in my Rounded agents. But of course, if you have other variables, you can add them there and replace them. So here is not John, it's first name from our Google Sheets. and last name, it's last name from our Google Sheets. And now we are done with the integration. So I save the scenario. So we finished our scenario. Now I suggest to try it together. So we're going to add a new row, which is a new client, of course. And now we should run it in Make. And as you can see, the agent is calling me. So it worked.
Hi, Jacques. Welcome to Rounded. Are you ready for your onboarding?
Yes. So it worked perfectly. And that's it. Now you know how to automate your outbound phone calls. So you can try it now with your CRM or your software instead of the Google Sheets. And I hope this video was useful, and I say bye. So see you soon.